Here we have a 2021 Nissan Altima. Comes with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission in a beautiful black color. Let's take a look inside. Coming inside, have a nice armrest, power lock, fluid and mirrors, black cloth upholstery all throughout, power driver lumbar support. Hop inside. Air vents on the left. Trunk opener, digital cluster dimming controls. On the left-hand side, we have our buttons to control what we're seeing on our digital gauge, radio controls, automatic headlights, cruise control functions, Bluetooth controls, and rain wiper functions for the front. Digital speedometer, temperature outside, odometer in the bottom left, distance still empty, average speed, fuel economy, trip information, tire pressures. Safety features here as well. Got your emergency brake for the front and the rear, our lane departure warning, blind spot sensors, your parking aids, rear cross traffic alert, driver attention alert, timer alert, TPMS settings, clock, your vehicle settings, infotainment, volume and tuner rocker on each side. Go to our source list. We have AM, FM, Bluetooth audio, USB. If you want to connect your phone via Bluetooth, you can do so. Via this screen, you'll have access to your quick dial, phone book, call history, text messages. Go into our settings here. Sound settings, take a peek at bass, treble, balance, fade, all that good stuff. Clock settings. I got a camera button here, so check that out in a second. Air vents, hazard lights, your climate control functions, front and rear defrost, heated seats for driver and passenger. Got USB, USB-C, auxiliary, 12-volt. Start-stop engine button. Got a backup camera, park sense audio, 2 cup holders, electronic park brake, big center console. Up on the right-hand side, got your interior lighting options, sunglass holder, and a rearview mirror. Let's take a look outside. In front here have our LED headlights, black and chrome finish grille, Nissan badge in the middle. Continental tires on silver and gray alloy rims, paint matching mirrors, chrome door handles, keyless entry feature, beautiful taillights, Altima badge on the left, your rear parking sensors. Open this up. 60-40 split for the rear seats, so let's go take a look at them now. Come to the back, you have a nice armrest, power windows, tons of legroom and headroom, that same cloth upholstery as we have in the front. USB, USB-C inputs down there. Let's head back outside. That'll wrap it up for the 2021 Nissan Altima in a black color. If you have any questions or want to book a test drive, please visit us at parkmazda.ca.